Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today is part 2 of my CPU series, and so today is the registers part of my 8-bit CPU. And so register is basically for like temporarily storing information that the CPU needs. I want to show you the register part that I made for my CPU. Alright, so this is the block diagram of my register part of my CPU. And if you look at this block diagram, you see that there's like a buffer right here, and then it connects to the decoder, and the decoder controls like all the registers, and all the registers are connected to the data bus. So then if you look over here, then you'll see that this chip on the top right here is the buffer. These two are the decoder, and the rest are all registers. These switches are for controlling in the data bus, and these LEDs are connected to data bus. So if we first do this and load some data into one of the registers. So for example, let's load 1 into register 1. Not 0. Not 0, let register 1. So first off, the data that goes into the buffer is sort of like control code. And if you write, let's say, 16 into it, then the top 3 part is for controlling the input of the registers, and the bottom 3 are for controlling the output of the registers. So this would be loading it into register 1. Okay, so then let's load it in to the buffer. Boom, it's loaded into the buffer. Then we do the second switch, which loads it into the register. Okay, so now 16 is loaded into register 1. So to display this number, we have to do control 1, which would display register 1, and we load, and instead of loading we display. It should display 16. There we go. See? So this outputted register 1, and register 1 has 16 in it. That was my register, and if you're interested in all the CPU stuff, you should take a look at my playlist, my CPU series playlist, if you haven't already watched it. And if you're interested in more of like these stuff, you can also look at my channel. I have more electronic based projects. So I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.